Hey there dog lovers. Arthritis and joint pain in your dog is painful to both them and you. If your dog is getting older, you know that lurch of the heart the first time your dog struggles to get up. They don't run or play like they used to. Getting up the stairs gets more and more difficult. And the love we have for our dogs is so overwhelming. It makes it hard to watch them age and to watch them struggle with the pain and discomfort. 85% of dogs suffer with arthritis. And it's not reserved just for large dog breeds either. Small breeds suffer with this debilitating aging problem too. The difference is it starts on bigger dogs earlier when they're around 5 or 6 years of age, and maybe a year or two later in smaller dogs, but almost all dogs suffer from arthritis. And sadly, the loss of mobility and pain and the suffering that we witness as a result is the single biggest reasons that dogs get put down at end of life. So what can we do? Well, here's 7 proven ways to help dogs with arthritis and joint pain. Number 1, a comfortable bed. A supportive bed positioned away from cold or damp floors and even away from cold drafts is a simple first step. Second, you want to get yourself a true orthopedic foam bed that will support your dog's joints. Now, as a company that specialises in dog beds, we know a thing or two about foams. So first off, forget what the label says. If you can press down through that foam and feel the floor, it's not an orthopedic foam. I don't care what they're claiming. I've seen dog beds with price tags of $250 and the foam is quite literally junk. If you would not drop down onto your knees due to fear of hitting your knees on the floor, then it's not the grade of foam that you want your dog sleeping on. True orthopedic foams will reduce the pressure points on your dog and allow them a more restful sleep and better recovery. Number 2, massage. Just like us, dogs benefit from massage to soothe aching muscles and joints. Massage also helps stimulate blood flow to muscles. Canine massage therapy is an emerging specialty based on human fields of remedial massage and human movement, though many qualifications in this field are through online courses, so getting a solid recommendation of a good practitioner is a good idea. Treatments can cost in the vicinity of $30 to $60 per session. At DogCloud, we're big believers in these first 2 points, and it's the reason why we've developed the world first dog bed that combines both a proven massage and a unique bed design that's tested to reduce pressure points and provide an active therapeutic system to help improve mobility and increase circulation in dogs. Number 3, heat. We all know arthritis feels worse in cold weather. Heat is a natural way to relieve stiffness in joints and free mobility. So using heat packs and warm blankets can soothe your dog's arthritis, but there's a big caution with using heat. Excessive heat can burn and injure dogs, and your dog can't tell you if the heat pack is too hot until it's too late. It's better to be safe than sorry. With COVID, there's no shortage of thermometers to get accurate temperatures, so use one of these and stick to body temperature ranges of that 36 to 40 degrees Celsius or 96 to 104 Fahrenheit on your heat pack. I'm not joking when I say that increasing the temperature just a few degrees can have serious consequences. 42 degrees is the tipping point you do not want to cross. Although it seems so insignificant to be just a couple of degrees above the 36 to 40 that we recommend, there's a point where it goes from being beneficial to damaging. Dogs that have short hair, hair loss, or are very small breeds are at a higher risk of suffering from thermal burns. Burns can range from 1st degree to the more serious 4th degree burns. It's common for vets to see dogs being brought in from very well-intentioned dog owners trying to help their dogs with a heat lamp or a heat pack, but you really must be very careful. So please take care when using heat, as every degree in heat provides a different result, some disastrous. But get it right and you're well on your way to giving your dog more relief and a greater quality of life. Number 4, exercise. Maintaining a healthy exercise routine is a common way of maintaining mobility, even with arthritis and joint pain. But there's an obvious catch. Exercise can hurt a dog that's suffering from arthritis. The wear and tear can be aggravated under weight-bearing exercise, further damaging joints and increasing inflammation. So whilst the blood flow and the range of motion in limbs is good for dogs with joint pain, we also need to ensure that we don't overdo it and cause more pain. For us humans, non-weight bearing exercise is often recommended for people with severe arthritis. Think aqua aerobics. This can also be a good option for dogs with joint pain if there is a centre or a pool in your area. Be sure to check with your vet though, as aquatherapy is not recommended for dogs with open wounds, certain spinal issues and some skin conditions. Aquatherapy for dogs generally requires an initial consultation with follow-up sessions based on your dog's needs, and prices will vary depending on the centre and services available, but can be a good option, especially for those dogs who love water and need to get out of the house regularly for general stimulation. Number 5, supplements and food. There is a lot of information out there about how diet and supplements can affect your dog and help with arthritis, with dozens of products that are said to promote healthy joints. Supplements such as glucosamine, chondroitin, and other nutrients from foods like fish or fish oils, turmeric, ginger, even coconut oil mixed through a rice can help improve joint health. It's always important to check with your vet before making radical changes to your dog's diet. It's also worth mentioning that some foods you want to introduce slowly and in small amounts to allow your dog to, number 1, get used to the taste, and 2, let their body adapt to it. One really important consideration with any supplementation is a dog's circulation. It's a commonly accepted concept that the better a dog's blood circulation, the more they stand to benefit from the delivery of those supplements to affected joints, which are often compromised by poor blood flow. As dogs age, circulation diminishes in a similar way as humans experience. Dogs' extremities, like their legs and their feet, are considerably more bony and less fleshy than humans, so a focus on improving circulation can go a long way to getting more bang for your buck with the supplements and joint foods that you invest in. Number 6, alternative therapies. So along with aqua aerobics, many dogs have found pain relief and increased mobility through complementary and alternative therapies such as acupuncture and homeopathy. Acupuncture in dogs is often used to treat arthritis and relieve pain, usually through needles or even local acupressure, heat being applied at specific points referred to as meridians. Homeopathy for dogs tends to be used to treat minor stomach upsets, scratches, insect stings, and in some cases, remedies are used to treat anxiety in dogs. Number 7, medications. Now, this is an area best discussed with your vet. There are several options when it comes to prescription medications for dogs, ranging from regular injections, tablet form analgesics that provide pain relief, steroids to reduce inflammation, and NSAIDs, or the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Very few medications are completely without side effects, and most loving dog owners and good vets lean towards medication as more of a last resort rather than a first option. Medication is not to be considered completely taboo though either, as you can speak with your vet about how to safely integrate the right medication and right dosage to give your dog the quality of life that they deserve. Your dog will need regular monitoring and tests to keep on top of symptoms and side effects. And if you want to listen and learn from one of the world's best vets, check out our Dog Pod podcast, where I interview award-winning vet Dr. Kevin Cruikshank, who shares all sorts of excellent information. So that's it. 7 proven ways to relieve arthritis and joint pain in dogs as they age. All of these things can help, and some of them will be best used in combination to get the best result for your dog. Thank you all who watched right to the end of this video. Give this video a like, leave a comment down below. If you learned something new, consider subscribing for more content in the future. If you want to get your dog into their very own therapeutic massaging dog cloud bed, make sure to visit the website in the description below. With Dog Cloud, you get 100% guarantee to relieve arthritis and joint pain in 30 days or less, or you get your money back. So check out the beds, check out the dog before and afters, and we'll see you in the next video.